traffic is progressing as expected. We'll give you some more details in a bit. But then let's look at this: 189,310 children lack access to immunization in Southwest. This is coming from NPHCDA.
And it's very surprising because they're saying that this is in the southwest of the country. So they're also saying the federal government owned agency have pointed out that immunization, that's particularly the eradication of all forms of vaccine preventable diseases, remained its top priority. The executive director and the chief executive officer of NPHCDA said that they are reviewing this. The traditional leaders also on zero dose children, and this is followed by Oyo State with 53,000 children who have not received the vaccination this year. And then Ondo follows with 30,280 children. Then we have Oshun 19,737 children, Ogun with 3,204 children, and finally Ekiti with 2,998 children who have never received any form of vaccination. And considering the fact that we keep talking about how the Southwest is more exposed, more educated, it's more developed, it's shocking when you hear this huge number of children who have never been vaccinated.
Well, the thing is, it's quite staggering. We'll have to speak with someone from within that sphere of operation, talking about vaccines and dealing with children at large. So we'll be reaching out to Dr. Fejiro Chinye-Nwoko, that's GM, CEO, Nigeria Solidarity Support Fund, into uh, uh, she's a pediatrician, she's a medical doctor, and also vast in the area of vaccine. Doctor, good to have you on our program AM Lagos Live, and we okay, we're actually doing we're having a discussion talking about the reports in the Punch newspaper about the inability for a huge amount of kids to gain access to vaccines. And this happens to be your field, your area. Yeah. So we were wondering at this point, um, what can you pinpoint as a okay? Wow. So, doctor, one of the aspects of the reports that actually even caught me unaware, even my colleague here, who were surprised, is the fact that Lagos has recorded one of the highest
Highest.
in terms of children without access. And from some of the issues you mentioned, which has to do with the willingness of the people, as well as facilities. One would think that Lagos, with its awareness and the fact that it's a center of excellence and so on. Um, Also, the largest revenue generating states, you know, wouldn't have such problems. Well, we do. We do have a problem. What might be the problem in your own experience view? All right, that clarifies a lot. Well, the NPHCDA has continued to reiterate that they put the vaccination of kids and everyone else needing it as top priority. Saying that they are willing to continue the sensitization. And since this is a field where you work and you've been working and doing your bit as well, we're looking forward to also having you uh, let's work together. Let's put the word out there and to get more people to know about this. So we'll be keeping in touch. All right, thank you very much, and we'll continue to wish you the best in the good work that you do. All right, thank you for joining us. Okay, that was Dr. Fejiro Chinye-Nwoko, GMCO Nigeria Solidarity Support Fund, and of course, she is a medical.
Put this information and then round off.
All right, that'll be good. Okay, stick around. We got you covered. Remember, you can also tweet at us, Metro 977 FM. You can tweet via Metro 977 FM. Let us know your thoughts on anything at all. And a quick reminder that at the top of the hour, we have the news at 10.